After signing up for Facebook, it's important to complete your setup to enhance your experience and connect with others effectively. Follow these steps to finalize your profile and settings. Step 1. Add a profile picture. Choose a clear and friendly photo of yourself to serve as your profile picture. This helps friends recognize you and makes your profile more inviting. Step 2. Fill out your profile information. Navigate to your profile and click on About. Here you can add personal details such as your education, work, location, and interests. This information helps others understand more about you. Step 3. Adjust your privacy settings. Go to the Settings menu and select Privacy. Review and customize your privacy settings to control who can see your posts, friend requests, and personal information. This is crucial for maintaining your privacy on the platform. Step 4. Connect with friends. Use the search bar to find and add friends by entering their names or email addresses. You can also import contacts from your email to find people you know. Building your network is essential for a fulfilling experience. Step 5. Explore and join groups. Search for groups that match your interests and join them. Participating in groups allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and engage in discussions that matter to you. Completing these steps will help you create a well-rounded Facebook profile and enhance your social networking experience. Enjoy connecting with friends and family.